Welcome back to our Odisha exploration. In this video, you'll get to experience the spiritual aura of the Jagannath temple in Puri, the serene vibes of the Puri beach, and the scenic beauty of boating in Chilika Lake. Don't miss this exciting part of our journey through Odisha. Our next destination was the sacred town of Puri. On reaching Puri, we had lunch and then headed straight to the Jagannath temple. Photography is not allowed inside the temple premises. The Jagannath temple dedicated to the god Jagannath and two of his siblings, Balram and Subhadra, alongside Sudarshan, the deified form of Vishnu's primary weapon. As per temple records, King Indradyumna of Avanti built the main temple of Jagannath at Puri. The present temple was rebuilt from the 11th century onwards on the site of the pre-existing temples in the compound, but not the main Jagannath temple, and begun by Anantavarman Chodaganga, the first king of the eastern Ganga dynasty. We stepped out again in the evening and went near the temple to capture some beautiful shots of its majestic exterior, illuminated under the evening sky. From there, we headed to Puri beach. By the time we arrived, it was already dark. The beach market springs to life in the evening. The shops sell anything from souvenir to utility items. In the evenings, kids can enjoy the camel ride or horse ride in the beach. The roadside stalls prop up along the beach selling popular Indian snacks to seafood. Puri Beach or the Golden Beach is on the shore of the Bay of Bengal. The beach is the site of the annual Puri Beach Festival, which is co-sponsored by the Indian Ministry of Tourism, the City of Puri, the Development Commissioner of Handicrafts, and the Eastern Zonal Cultural Centre, Kolkata. The sound of the waves, the cool breeze, and the vibrant atmosphere made it a perfect spot to unwind after a long day. The next morning, after checking out from our hotel in Puri, we headed to Chilika Lake for a much-awaited boating experience. The boat riders first took us to a small island, which initially seemed like an interesting stop. However, it turned out to be filled with vendors trying to sell fake pearls and corals, a common tourist trap in the area. Luckily, we didn't fall for it and managed to steer clear of their persuasive sales pitches. Chilika Lake in Odisha is known for a common scam involving fake pearls and gemstones, where tourists are lured into buying them during boat tours. Boat operators or locals will showcase gemstones seemingly found inside shells, but these are actually fakes, often made of glass or other imitation materials. The scam involves convincing tourists that the stones are of high value, and they are then sold at prices below what would be expected for genuine gemstones.
It's a natural one, it doesn't
जेमती आम पेट भर किडनी स्टोन्स से भाई पेट भर स्टोन्स बारे यहाँ बोल जेम स्टोन व्हाइट का रुपेल लक्ष्मी रतन कहते 4,200 4,200 आपको नेट
Lake is the largest brackish water lagoon with estuarine character that sprawls along the east coast in Asia and second largest coastal lagoon in the world, covering an area of over 1,100 square kilometers. It is spread over the Puri, Khordha and Ganjam districts of Odisha state on the east coast of India, at the mouth of the Daya River, flowing into the Bay of Bengal. It has been listed as a tentative UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its salinity varies by region, from freshwater where rivers flow in, to oceanic salinity levels due to tidal influx. The lake has numerous islands. The larger islands, separated by shallow channels, lie between the barrier and the main body of the lake. Chilika Seamouth Beach is a picturesque landscape with serene natural beauty. Chilika Lake's brackish water meets the vast expanse of the Bay of Bengal, creating one of the most stunning beauties. The changing hues of the sky and reflections on the water make a mesmerizing view. A vibrant scenery of the colorful fishing boats and the tourist boats cruising along in the water is seen from the beach. Chilika Seamouth Beach is a small island located between the Bay of Bengal and the Chilika Lake. This beach is full of scenic beauty, serene surroundings, and biodiversity. It is a unique spot where seawater and the freshwater of Chilika Lake mingle. After the boat ride on Chilika Lake, we made our way back to Bhubaneswar. On the way, we stopped for lunch and wrapped up another memorable day of our Odisha journey. That's all for this video. See you in the next one with more exciting places to explore. Bye for now.